Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Eto guys, yung sumali ako ng pageant. Search for Miss GSP and Mr. BSP. Ito yung production number namin. Naka-school uniform. Ito naman guys, yung sports attire. My costume is pang baseball. Perfect. Ito naman yung casual attire namin. So ayan guys, nakasuot ako ng BSP uniform. Ayan guys, param-param pa lang ako dyan. Best in BSP uniform po ako dyan. Tada! So ayan guys, yung mga pictures ko. At ako ang nanalo ng Mr. BSP Studio.